Hello, Lee. Hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. So, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business with SCRS Roofing. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this as a business owner. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world, the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them. Plain and simple, really. But sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So, by the end of the video, you like what you hear, you can see the skills that help your business grow and land more customers. You can show me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. So, after watching the remainder of the video, I'm about to show you how to appreciate and love some feedback on it, or even a review on Google. So if you find the topics I cover important or even valuable to you. So I may show others the importance as well. Now, before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over is your content. In order for your business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. Now I found your site has about 700 words currently. In comparison to one of the competitors, they have about 600, which is Schneider Roofing and Remodeling. So, in comparison with them, they have a lot more keywords and is beating you out on organic listings in Google. Because I did a search for roofing contractors in St. Louis, Missouri, which is pretty specific for roofing. Roofing is your niche in a city, which is St. Louis, Missouri. Now, I found them in the fifth position behind these blogs, or Home Advisor 2, and Expertise. But going to their site, they have a lot more keywords than you, which is totally fine. Everything is beatable in due time. But we definitely need to start getting these keywords ranked up. So I'm going to show you what they're ranking for real quick, which is URDR 22 and 10. The backlinks to 260, 160 referring domains, and 675 organic keywords. So going into organic keywords real quick, you can see that they're ranked number 1 for Schneider Roofing. I would hope so because that is their name. But that's bringing 150 people per month searching for this keyword. Now, if we were to go like roofing contractors in St. Charles, Missouri, which is probably something you could rank for as well, 70 people are searching for this single keyword a month. And they're in second position, they're only bringing in 9. So let's go to roofing contractors, St. Louis, Missouri. This is the same H2 tag that I found in your content. Now, but they're ranking a little higher, and so they're bringing in 2.2 people per month out of this keyword. But this keyword in particular is being searched 350 times. So ranking this up number 1 should be a priority because that's a lot more people viewing your site, and if you're able to close, it's a lot more money in your hands. So I'm gonna go over your website real quick, and this is Ahrefs. I forgot to mention this is a paid program I use to find out what the site is actually ranking for. So you have a UR of 19, a DR of 4.2. That's your trust, and that's your strength. So 43 backlinks, 18 referring domains, and 21 organic keywords. So you can see that you're not doing too hot in the keyword or in your analytics section. That's totally fine. Like I said, everything's doable in due time. But roofing contractors, St. Louis, Missouri. This is one of your biggest shoe tags, right? Like I said, and you're in the 65th position. So you're bringing in no traffic. No traffic for any of these keywords, actually. So that's because you're lacking on backlinks and keywords and content, which you can definitely get up. So that's pretty much what goes into keywords and content. The thing I like to go over is your map pack. So in order to rank in your maps, you need citations. So these citations are your business name, business address, and business phone number, all entered into different directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star. Facebook even has an area to where you can submit a citation. And this all helps you list higher in the rankings of Google. And of course, your 5-star ratings help tremendously. So the last thing I have to go over with you is the third most important thing to Google. And we call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So I'll be showing you yours real quick. This is your backlinks. And this is where all your keywords will be anchored in as backlinks back to your site. So this all plays into your organic listings, right? So yeah, he's in the 5th position because he has a lot more backlinks in you. He has about 260 while you have about 41. So this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So this link to simply to put it works like this, right? Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting at link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for another example, if you have a relative site, say Roofing Company St. Louis or Kirkwood Roofing, my bad, linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, if you get what I mean. Well, going back to Ahrefs again, I'm going to show you a cool trick. It's something that you can definitely do on your own if you get this paid program. You can go down the list. All right, let's go to your competitors, my fault. You can go down the list and go to every single place where they're listed for their keyword, for their backlinks. You can make them your own and insert any keyword that you would like to use as an anchor text. And this will help you rank those keywords to bring in that organic traffic. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, I want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and I'd love to hear some feedback back from you. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Lee. You have a good one.